Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to add multiple unlimited accounts to your Telegram desktop application. Subscribe to Guy Mentory and let's go. So let's open the Telegram application, and what we need is 3 bars menu at the top left. Click on this menu and now click on this small arrow next to your account name and just click on Add Account. Now you have 2 options. If you have Telegram installed on your smartphone, you can scan this QR code to log in, or log in using your phone number. You will receive SMS code to your telephone in this case. But let me just scan the code. So to do this, I need to open my Telegram account on my smartphone, tap on 3 bars menu, scroll down to settings. Here I need to find devices and link desktop device. Now let's scan the code. And my second account is protected with cloud password to avoid unwanted guests on my account, so I need to enter this password. Submit. And here it is. Now I'm in my second account. If I need to add one more, I can always go to the 3 bars menu and add as many accounts as I need. And that's pretty it, guys. I hope this was helpful. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and be awesome. Bye.